Welcome to the channel. Today's news. It's 17 April and I am present here to keep you updated about the latest news and current affairs. So let's start the video. Before going further, let's revise the question of the yesterday. You have to answer these questions and comment. So first question is MS Dhoni has been named as a brand ambassador of which company? Second question, Ranjit Chaudhary he had died recently. What was his profession? Third question, which national park in India has built isolation ward for animal? So these are the three questions. If you know, you can answer them in comments. If you don't know, then you have to watch the previous video. So let's start the video. Warner Media owns a kids television channel. Name the channel that has partnered with public service broadcaster Doordarshan to simulcast its popular animation show Chhota Bheem on DD National. So, this television channel owned by Warner Media has decided to broadcast its program Chhota Bheem on Doordarshan. So, name the channel. Options are Hangama, Cartoon Network, Pogo, Disney. So, that TV channel name is Pogo. State Bank of India will waive service charges for all ATM transactions made on SBI ATM as well as other bank ATM. So the bank has allowed free number of transactions up to which date? Options 30 May, 30 June, 31st July, none of the above. So the correct answer is 30 June. World Hemophilia Day is observed every year to raise awareness regarding the disease and other hereditary bleeding disorders on 17 April. So World Hemophilia Day is observed on 17 April. You have to name the theme of this year. Options are get plus win, get plus involved, getting success, getting involved. So this year the theme of World Hemophilia Day is get plus involved. Vishwanathan Anand has joined World Wide Fund WWF India as its ambassador for Environment Education Program. So, World Wide Fund India has celebrated how many years of conservation in India? So, Vishwanathan Anand has joined as an ambassador of WWF. So, up to how many years WWF India is functioning for conservation in India? Options are 35 years, 55 years, 40 years, 60 years, none of the above. So, the correct answer is 50 years. So, the answer here is none of the above. Willie Davis, he has passed away recently. He is related to which sport? So the options are hockey, baseball, football, rugby. So Willie Davis was related to football. Mascot for the fourth Asian Para Games that is scheduled to be held from 9 October 2022 has been unveiled, and the design of the mascot dash you have to name that mascot is inspired from the motif of divine bird in the Zizao culture. So that mascot name is Fifi, Fanny, Benu, none of the above. So the correct answer is Fifi. It is a bird that is a divine bird in Lanzhou culture. So the correct answer is Fifi. Name the organization that has developed a compact solid state sensor to detect the heavy metal ions in water. So this is an Indian organization that has worked upon solid state sensor to detect heavy metals in water that are harmful. So that organization name is Center for Nano and Soft Material Science, CENS, Department of Biotechnology, VIT, TIFR. So the correct answer is Center for Nano and Soft Material Science, CENS. Plasma transfusion trials for treating corona patients has started in which state? So this plasma transfusion trial for treating the COVID patients, it has started recently in options Uttar Pradesh, Delhi, West Bengal, Gujarat. So the correct answer is Delhi. Agriculture Ministry has aimed to increase the food production by how much million tons to record its mark of 298.3 million tons for 2020-21 crop year. So they will increase their production by 4.35 million ton, 5.55 million ton, 6.35 million ton, 6.5 million ton. So the correct answer is 6.35 million ton. Agriculture Ministry will increase their production by 6.35 million ton to reach their mark of 298.3 million tons. 4-month rental of small IT unit operating out of Software Technology Park in India have been waived off. So this waiver is given up to which date? So to cope up the IT industry, the Software Technology Park in India has given waiver. So this waiver will run up to 30 June, 31st July, 31st May, 1st July. So the correct answer here is 30 June. India has decided to supply anti-malarial drug hydrochloroquine to how many countries? So this anti-malarial drug hydrochloroquine is in demand. Mm, So India is supplying this to how many countries? Options 40, 51, 21, 55. So it is providing 55 countries. EPFO settled how many claims in the last 15 days, amounting to 946 crore rupees. So in last 15 days, Employee Provident Fund Organization has settled 2.81 lakhs claims, 3.31 lakh claims, 4.31 lakh claims, 5.5 lakh claims. So the correct answer is 3.31 lakh claims are settled in last 15 days. Center has released how much rupees to the state and union territory under Manrega scheme, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme. So center will infuse amount of 5,500 crore, 7,300 crore, 7,700 crore, 8,000 crore. So the correct answer here is 7,300 crore. It will be infused in Manrega. Union Minister for Finance and Corporate Affairs, Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman, has participated in a virtual session of second G20 Finance Minister and Central Bank Governor meeting. It was a meeting held under the presidency of which country? So, FMCBG meeting, that is G20 second meeting. It was held recently under the presidency of Saudi Arabia, UAE, Oman, Yemen. So, correct answer is Saudi Arabia. National Institute of Technology, Karnataka, Surat Kalas Professor Arun M. Islur and his research scholar Ibrahim Sayyed developed an disinfectant chamber with an old refrigerator. So, what is the name of that disinfectant chamber? Options are zero COVID, zero cough, no COVID, no cough. So, the NIT professor Arun M. Islur with his scholar have developed zero cough. It is an chamber made up of old refrigerator. College in Kerala has launched an online campaign, COVID COVID Curricle, to get people talk about the positive aspect of coronavirus, included in the country's lockdown case. So you have to name that college that has organized this online campaign, COVID Curricle. So that college is Saint Joseph College, Saint Theresa College, Saint Thomas College, Saint Stephen College. So the correct answer is Saint Theresa College. Saint Theresa College is the college that has organized an online campaign. Arunachal Pradesh CM Pima Kandu will provide how much rupees to each Arunachali person stranded outside the state amidst nationwide COVID-19 lockdown. So, Arunachal Pradesh CM is providing amount of how much rupees to Arunachali person? 4,500, 3,500, 2,500, or 3,000. So, they are providing 3,500 rupees for those persons who are outside the state amidst lockdown. Union Sports Minister Kiran Rijiju, he has attended the first session of the 21-day long online workshop for coaches organized by Sports Authority of India in partnership with which organization? So, Union Sports Minister Kiran Rijiju, they had participated on the 21-day long online workshop. It was organized by SAI with the partnership of National Sports Federation, International Military Sports Council, International Sports Council, none of them. So correct answer is National Sports Federation. So SAI with the help of NSF, they have organized that workshop. Kerala government is setting up how many cancer treatment centers for all the 14 districts of Kerala. So how many treatment centers are developed by Kerala government? Options are 32, 20, 22, 25. The correct answer is 22. 22 centers are being developed for cancer treatments in Kerala. Who has resigned as the president of International Weightlifting Federation? So, International Weightlifting Federation's president has resigned recently. What was his name? Tamas Achin, Tedros Adhanom, David Malpass, Ursula Papandaria. So, and that president who had resigned, his name is uh, Tamas Achin, and Tedros Adhanom is the WHO's president, and David Malpass is the World Bank's president, and Ursula Papandaria, she is currently as a working president of International Weightlifting Federation. Online ASEAN Special Summit and ASEAN Plus 3 Special Summit on COVID-19 response took place at which place? So this is a special summit of ASEAN and ASEAN Plus 3. It was organized recently in option are Hanoi, Dhaka, Thimphu, Vietnam, Vientiane. So the correct answer is Hanoi. R.V. Bhushkatta, he has passed away in April 2020. He was a freedom fighter. He was related to which state? Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan. So R.V. Bhushkatta, he was from Maharashtra. So this is that for all. Hope you have learned something, and you can download the PDF of this video from my Telegram channel. I will put the Telegram channel in the description. Thank you.